Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to change the default font in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. Alright, so we have this project management sheet spreadsheet, and as you can see, if I add text here, you can change the font here to anything else like Inter, but if I add in other text value, it will once again be Arial, which is the default font in Google Sheets. If you want to change the default font, so if you add a new text value, that will be also the text font you have selected previously, then you can change the default font in a Google Sheets spreadsheet, and it's really easy to do. All you have to do is click on Format here in the menu bar, then select Theme, then select the Customize button here, and as you can see, now the default font is Arial, and we can change it to these fonts. So we can change it to Verdana, for instance. We can also change the text color, chart background, the hyperlink color, and so on and so forth. So just then click on Done, and now as you can see here, now the default is Verdana. So now this is how you can change the default font in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials, and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up, so also make sure to subscribe.